Hello everyone. So I'll just quickly tell you what this experiment is about. I actually wanted to do it in text, but then I thought video will be a really better way to tell you about what we are going to do, as well as this is going to be a video editing course. So maybe I thought it will be really nice to do a video about it. So yeah, so this experiment is basically about to find whether you can actually learn video editing on your own if you haven't even tried video editing before in your life. So I found this really cool software which if you have attended the session before earlier today, you would have known I mentioned about this software. So VideoPad is what we are going to use in the initial stages. All I wanted to do is first I'll send the website link to you all, and you just have to download it. As you can see, it's just like 4.5 MB, while Premium Pro is around 1.5 GB, I guess more than 1.5 GB, maybe I don't know. So you just accept the terms, and it's installing. Should be pretty quick. Yeah, it's really quick. So the part which I want your help is from, you just open this thing, this video tutorials thingy, and you will have a list of all these hyperlinks, or you can just scroll down. You can why is it not loading? Yeah, it's loading. What these videos are actually from the developers of VideoPad. They gave a short tutorial about how to use all these basic editing things in their website itself. So you
Let's
just
take a look
play
at
some
VideoPad's
of those
layout.
videos and
The
see if you
program
can
opens on the
actually learn from it. I want you to see each and every video individually, at least to this point. Even if you don't do the effects or effects part, I just want you to do all these three parts: getting started, editing, and saving and exporting. I just want you to see if you can follow the instructions in these videos, and side by side you just download some random YouTube videos, and you try to edit with them. Let's say I just want to, if I want to download this video, you just after before that pointer write pp. It's a funny thing, but it works. So it will redirect you to this website, and if you whatever resolution you want, you just download it. Download, save. Yeah, that's it. You have a YouTube video downloaded in your hand. You just import it. After downloading the video, just follow the instructions of this instructor from from this tutorial, and see if you can you know make a pretty good edit in your first try. And I what I want you to do is open Google Docs. That's it. Sorry for the cut. So open Google Doc, and you just list down all the problematic things in these videos. Like if
Home
I
tab,
started
which has
video
everything you
editing
need
for
to
the
put a
first
movie
time, and
together.
I found this
You'll
video
see
to
the
be
preview of that
little
specific
confusing,
clip
or
side by
this
side.
part
You
of the
can
video is
select
little
Show
confusing. I
Dual
don't know
Previews
what they
from the
actually
View
did,
menu.
or the instruction wasn't pretty clear. It is much better if you can get into that much detail, but I don't want so much detailed answers. I just want to know whether these instructions are good. So if it is completely shitty, I will make a whole course. Or if you want specifically for editing only, I will do that. Or if you want from the first, I will do that. Or if you have troubles in just one or two parts, I will help you with it in a personal way. That's the only thing I want you to do right now. And this might take on the whole around 2 or 2.5 hours. And if you're a pretty fast learner, you can finish it within 1 hour in one day. But I'll give you a time of around maybe 1 week. You just experiment with it. You just see how well you can improvise on your edits, download many videos down and edit with multiple media in it, edit with many sound effects in it. I think it also has some audio, stock audio something. Yeah, not really sure about it. Yeah, it has all these things. You can add music, how much ever music you want. You can add how much ever SFX you want. Just play with it and come back with me within like 1 week and say how well you have improvised, and wherever just tell me where you want to improve on. I will help you with it. And I think it came up to, I don't know, oh, 6 months. Fuck. Okay, I'm sorry for taking this much of your time. I didn't know this was going to be a long video. So, anyways, thank you for sticking till 6 or 7 minutes. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.